Welcome to the future of technical documentation at Microsoft on docs.microsoft.com. I'm Margot Crandall. I'm a Principal Content Strategist with Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. This session introduces new features of docs.microsoft.com. The goals of the session are that you'll become familiar with Docs, learn how to leave comments, and learn how to suggest modifications to the content on Docs. On Dynamics 365 on docs.microsoft.com, we have a joint hub page for all of the products. It's a single site that gives you shared access to what's new content, information about the Fast Track program, training courses, our Accessibility Center, our GDPR Center, support information, and the release notes. It also gives us features like breadcrumbs, contextual search, a filterable table of contents, the ability to generate a PDF, and the ability to set up RSS feeds for searches. Let's take a look at the site. So here I am on the Dynamics 365 Documentation Hub page. I can get here from Docs. The Docs site, if you just say docs.microsoft.com, you'll see right there is Dynamics 365. It's available from any search engine of your preference as well. You can see here's the What's New content, Fast Track information. If you click down here under Applications, you can see here's all the Dynamics 365 products. And then if you click in here, you can get to information about any particular product that you're interested in. We also have the help for the add-in solutions and related apps, as well as a specific tab with help for those who are interested in customizing, integrating, or doing development work. So let's take a look at the help for Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. Here's the main page for the system. You can see that it's got a landing page here. Then we've got a contextual search up here. So for instance, if I'm searching for users, if I type in users, what I get up here is information only for finance and operations. However, if I take out that filter that's there by default and click users, I'm going to get information about users from any Microsoft product that's also hosted on Docs. So let's go back to the homepage of Finance and Operations. Other things I can do are that if I know an approximation of the title of a topic that I'm looking for, I can search for it. So say I'm interested in data entities. If I start typing data entity, you can see that I will now see all the topics in the table of contents that contain the word data entity. So if I want to create data entities, I can. Other things you can do with Docs are generate a PDF. This download PDF button enables you to click the download button, and I usually open it in a new tab. So within any given topic, you can navigate through the In This Article section. This is a clickable article table of contents. You can also set up RSS feeds for this. So if I look in the Help Overview topic, I actually have an RSS feed set up here. Copy the link from here, and this will give you an RSS feed for the entire Finance and Operations documentation set. It will enable you to follow any change we make to the doc set. However, if you're interested in a search and want to set up your own RSS feed, you type in your favorite search, for instance, printing, come over here and click this RSS button over here, and you can have an RSS feed that will let you know about updates anytime we publish something about printing. Let's come over and see if our PDF is finished generating. There it is. This has a table of contents that shows you all the documentation that's included in this table of contents. And if I click one of the topics, I go to the page where that topic is, and it's created a PDF version of that particular topic. So the other thing Docs lets you do is it gives you this breadcrumb. So any blue part of the breadcrumb is clickable. It gives you the context of where you are within the table of contents. This is a shared table of contents between finance and operations, development and administration for finance and operations, and then retail and talent. The reason we have them all together is that retail, talent, and finance and operations all work on similar code bases. Let's talk through what we have on the Docs site right now. We have all of the current version content for the Dynamics 365 products. We have the business applications release notes. We have the AX 2009 content. We have the GP content landing pages. And soon we'll have the AX 2012 content. Let's take a quick look at where you can find all of that from the hub pages. So on the hub page, again, I can click to any product here and get to the Dynamics 365 products. If I want to get to an older version of one of the products, I come down here and go to, for instance, Dynamics AX 2009. This is also previous versions content. If I want to see content for any other previous version, I click Previous Versions, go to Dynamics, and I can see the older content for GP, NAV, Management Reporter, the Unified Service Desk. Then soon we'll be migrating the AX 2012 content off of TechNet and MSDN over to docs.microsoft.com. Now let's switch back to the presentation. So if you would like to contribute to docs.microsoft.com, all you need to do is click either the feedback button or the edit button and then sign up for GitHub. Let's take a look at what that looks like. So on my landing page, I'm going to click the feedback button. I can come down here at the bottom of the page and give either product feedback or content feedback. Product feedback will take you to the ideas site. So if I click that, I'll end up on the ideas site. And I can then see whether anybody has already suggested my idea for the product, or I can add a new idea. I can upvote other people's ideas. If I want to give content feedback, I click Content Feedback and put in a title, leave a comment, and then click Submit Feedback. What will happen is if you're not signed in, you will be asked to sign up for GitHub. Feedback and comments are all based on a GitHub backend. So now let's look at what it looks like if I choose to edit content. So say there's something about databases. Say there's a topic about copying a database, copy a database, and I've got feedback on it. I can come in, click the edit button. I go into the back end. I click this little edit button right here, and I can make a suggestion about this page. I come in here and I say, let's see, here I am on the Before You Begin. I'm going to say, encrypted and environment-specific values can't be imported into a new environment in this product. Then I scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create a New Branch and Start a Pull Request. Then you click Propose File Change, and Microsoft receives this feedback from you. And so You click Create Pull Request, and we will address your pull requests and your issues. This view right here is the back end of what you see on docs.microsoft.com. So let's switch back and talk a little bit about the help system for Dynamics 365 for finance and operations in general. So docs.microsoft.com is core. We've re-architected the content from AX 2012 to be more business process focused. We've used task guides to do that. We've got a lot of reference documents for developers. We've got field help in the product, and we've enabled you to create custom content. Finally, we've also got the release notes. Let's take a quick look at the release notes. Here are the release notes. When I click Release Notes, I'm taken to the Spring 18 Release Overview. This covers the Dynamics 365 products, as well as Power Apps, Microsoft Flow, Power BI, Data Integration, and Microsoft Stream. If you're interested in what upcoming features are, this is the place to go. So to recap, what we'd like you to do is go bookmark docs.microsoft.com, sign up for a GitHub account, and finally, follow us on Twitter at D365FO content, and follow our hashtags on Twitter at hashtag MSDyne365FO. Thanks for watching.